In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert your WooCommerce website into an Android app step by step. If you're running an online store with WooCommerce and you want your customers to install your store like a mobile app on their Android devices, this method is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require complex coding. By the end of this tutorial, your website will function like an Android app using a progressive web app setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. So open your browser and go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Enter your admin username and password, and once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is where we'll install the tool that converts your WooCommerce site into an app-like experience. From the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type SuperPWA. SuperPWA is a free plugin that turns your WordPress or WooCommerce website into a progressive web app, which allows Android users to install your site on their home screen, just like a native app. Once you see the SuperPWA plugin in the search results, click Install Now. Wait a few seconds for WordPress to download and install it, and then click Activate. As soon as you activate the plugin, your website is technically ready to function as a basic Android app, but we still need to configure the settings to make it look professional. After activation, go to the left-hand menu and click on SuperPWA. Then open the General Settings section. Here you'll be able to customize how your Android app appears when users install it. First, you'll see the option to set your application name. This is the name that will appear under the app icon on your user's Android home screen. Make sure you use your brand or store name here. Next, you can set the short name, which is a shorter version of your brand name in case space is limited on smaller screens. Now scroll down to upload your application icon. This is very important because this icon will represent your app on Android devices. Click Upload, choose a high-quality square image, ideally 512 by 512 pixels, and save it. After that, upload your splash screen image. The splash screen is what users see when they open the app, so it should match your branding. Again, use a clean, high-resolution image that reflects your WooCommerce store's identity. Once you've added your app name, short name, icon, and splash screen, scroll down and click Save Settings. That's it. Your WooCommerce website is now converted into an Android-ready web app. To test it, open your website on an Android device using Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the browser, and you should see the option that says Add to Home Screen. Tap it, confirm the installation, and your store will now appear like a regular Android app on the device. When users open it, it runs in a full-screen app-like mode without the typical browser interface, giving your customers a smooth shopping experience. This method is fast, free, and doesn't require publishing anything to the Google Play Store, although you can explore that later if you want a fully native app. For most WooCommerce store owners, this progressive web app approach is more than enough to provide an app experience to Android users. And that's how you convert your WooCommerce website into an Android app step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step WooCommerce and WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.